If you are looking for a simple way that you can earn cash online, watch this video. In this video, we're going to be looking at the Givvy app, whether it is real or fake. This is my honest review and to show you how it works. Please like this video, and if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe and let me know where you're watching this video from. Before we go on, I need you to download the app so that you can work with me step by step. So check the description box for the link to download the app. After you download the app, you do your registration, you sign up, then with code on the screen. Let's get into it. So what is Givvy? Basically, Givvy app is an earning app where you watch videos and you earn some money from watching streaming videos. So you can watch videos on Twitch, basically YouTube and Twitch. You can select any of those platforms that you want to watch the video from. So when you watch the videos, you earn some money. It's not a get rich quick scheme, so don't expect to become a millionaire, but your time online can be worthwhile. Okay, so if you are looking at the screen, you can see the different content creators, the different creators that are putting their platforms here. So this is for Twitch. These are the top streamers. So if you can see, they're playing different games. So right now they are currently live on Twitch, but because they are connected to Givvy, you can join their live stream. So basically you are just helping the creator to increase the viewership, okay, on their live stream while you earn some money. You also have some YouTubers who put their videos here. So that's basically what Givvy app is about. Now let us go further. So on the Givvy earning app, let us walk through the app so you can see what the app is, because it is an earning app. So I'm going to show you how you can earn on this app, how you can make money on this app. The very first way, like I said, is to watch the videos. Okay, to watch the videos, you spend time watching. So there's a specific amount of time you have to spend. So look at this now, 300% bigger rewards. Click on the play ad button, download the app from the next ad, open the installation. So this is an ad. Okay, so when you watch this ad now, you're going to earn money watching the ad. Now if you want to now make 300% more money, if you click on install, so it brings you to pocket broker trading. So if you install this app, so we're just going to go back, is installing. Okay, we're going to go back. So it allows you to earn more money. So you need to watch the ad all the way through. Okay, you cannot just look at it and go away. No, you have to watch it all the way through. So when it's done, they are going to remove it. So let's just wait. While we're waiting, like this video, guys. So let's move on from here. Yeah, so let's open this app. Yeah, so this is registration. So I'm going to go back because this video is not about. Okay, so we are back here. So see, congrats, thank you for downloading the application. You are one step closer to your reward. We need you to open the installed app. So you come here, so you see registration here. So you have register. Okay, right. So let's go back and see what they are going to say again, because we have now opened the app. Right, so we're going to get a reward for doing just that. Okay, so let's skip. Okay, so in watching this video or any video, you're going to see expected rewards. So if you watch this video, you are expecting $1.1500 if you're able to watch the entirety of the video. It's a very long video, so we're just going to move on. Okay, but you can see the money is already counting on the screen. You see that you can see 0.0010. So if you have enough internet, you have enough data, you can watch all the way to, you just leave your phone running. Right, so let's move on. Let me pause it because we have a lot to cover. So are you sure you want to exit the stream? Yes, I want to exit the stream. So you see, for just the short time that I spent there, they said the live stream you were watching is now over and you won your rewards. Continue watching more streams for bigger rewards. So great. Let me show you around the app. So this, if you come to this love place, you have platform, category, language. This is a streamer that I'm following, the category. So what kind of things would you like to watch that you would enjoy? So you have, if it's just chatting, if it's Minecraft, if it is games, special events, there are different things here. I'm only sleeping, ASMR. So if that's the category you want them to suggest for you, you just click on it. Just chatting. So let's go back. Platform, if you say Twitch, they'll bring it out. Language, English, yeah. So this next place, this is the referral zone. So this is another way you can make money on this platform, by referring people. So when you refer someone, you earn 0.10 cents instantly and 20% of their lifetime earnings. So if you have a community, you have a group, just keep sharing your link, okay? Then you also have a lot of tasks that you can do on this platform. You can do surveys, you can, download apps, there are so many things, so many offers. So look at the coins you get when you carry out any of the tasks. Okay, so most of them are games, so you get rewards. All right, you get rewards. So offer a lot. There are different offers here. So you have survey offers. So if you're someone that likes to do surveys, they have a lot of survey offers. These are other tasks. So you can choose any of the tasks that you feel is right for you. So this is, what is this now? Is this English? I don't know what this is. So you earn, so let me see, loading. Okay, so it's a YouTube video. Oh, okay. This is a 13 minutes YouTube video. I think it's to watch. Okay. I'm just going to go back. Offer was completed and will be rewarded to your account. So we're expecting 2,000 coins. So let's just screenshot that. 2,000. This is another one. 10 blowing afterlife theories that will change your life. So let's see. It's going to YouTube. Okay. So we're just going to stay for let's watch their ads. 10 theories. We'll just watch for 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Let's just stay for 20 seconds. Let's comment. Please like this video, guys. Great video. Okay. Then we're gonna go back. So we just got 2,000 coins. let's see. So you see, if you are watching, I was at 600 before. It has increased to 700. Okay. Tap Joy. So this is a way to earn more money by downloading the game. So they're asking questions. Anyway, when you download the game, just play around all these different things, but you just any coins and like our Instagram page. Okay. Subscribe to our Telegram. So I think I can do that here. Yeah, you can join my Telegram page. Search for Topisco Plus on Telegram. So anytime we put an update or something, you'd get the information. Okay. Yeah. So this has been done. Let's go back and check our wall. So you see 721. So you see it has increased. So how do you withdraw your money? It's very, very simple. You come here. So you can see account setting, tutorial, withdraw. So far we have 0.07. So 10,000 coins is equal to 0.01. So according to them, 5,133 people have withdrawn today. 6,277. $2.5 million have been withdrawn over time. So if you are based in Nigeria, these are the top providers for withdrawal. So you have Binance, you have Payer, you have United Payments Interface. So the minimum you can withdraw on this platform is 0.35. So until I have enough money here before I will be able to withdraw. So let's see their proof of payment. So they are saying this person got paid. Okay, cashed out. Cashed out. Oh shit. Cash out $1. Oh shit. So all these people, they say they've cashed out money. All right, so may we also cash out our own money. All right. So yeah, that's basically it. Remember, if you want to download the app, check the description box and the pinned comment. So let's see leaderboard. So this person, referrals. If you ask me, I think the money really is in the referrals. So for those of us who want to join our team, let us increase our let's refer people. The more people you refer, the more money you'll make. Okay, like this video, subscribe. There will be more videos like this in this series. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.